Can animals hear the screams from the dead when they are being punished in the grave? We know that individuals are either tormented in their graves or blessed by Allah Azza wa Jal. As for the animals hearing the torment and the punishment, I personally don't know of any evidence supporting it. The only incident we know of is that when a sinful person or a disbeliever is placed in his grave and his soul is taken to the first heaven, not being admitted, and then thrown back to earth, he is met with an angel, and he's questioned by the two angels, Munkar wa Nakir, and then he's beaten on his head with a hammer or a sledge, like that if a mountain were to be struck by it, it would turn into dust. And he turns into dust. Then he's turned back again to his original form, and he's struck by it again, and he shouts a loud scream that everyone